I had a dream the other night.
I'm Judge Rosemary Aquilina from Lansing, Michigan, the United States. I'm also Maltese. And most of my family still lives in Malta. I love Malta, the culture, the people. I'm asking you to take the coronavirus seriously, to stay inside, to wash your hands, to stay 6 feet apart, to stay hydrated, to follow all the recommendations. Please be safe. I want to come back and visit time and time again and know that you're all safe and still waiting for me to visit. And please, this is not a political issue. Work together regardless of party politics to resolve this issue. Make sure the United States, Malta, and the world join together, partnering for a resolution, for safety, for life, forever. Thank you.